Happy day, students. Today I am going to deal with grammar preposition. Dear students, first we shall see the definition of a preposition. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relationship with something else in a sentence. In other words, a preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation of the noun or pronoun to something else. Prepositions give us information regarding position, time and direction. Example you see, he is going to school. So to is preposition. We cut things with a knife. With is a preposition. She sat beside the child. Beside means near. Beside is also a preposition. We shall see the types of prepositions. Prepositions are of three types. They are: first, simple preposition; second, compound preposition; third, phrase preposition. First we shall see simple prepositions. What are the words? In, on, at, by, from, to, for, of, up, till, with, out, etc. So all these are only having single syllable, okay, or monosyllable words. Second one you see, compound prepositions: about, across, along, amidst, among, around, before, below, behind, between, beyond, inside, outside, within, without, etc. You see it's more than one syllable. Now coming to third, that is phrase prepositions: according to, along with, away from, because of, by dint of, by means of, by virtue of, by reason of, by way of, in addition to, on behalf of, in case of, in course of, in front of, in lieu of, that means instead, in order to, in spite of, instead of, owing to, on account of, with regard to, etc. Just see this diagrammatic representation to see the usage of in, on, at. See, in the left side you see time, right side you see place. See, for time generally we use, see here, for centuries, decades, years, months, weeks, we use generally in, okay. Then place you use, that is country, city, town, neighborhood, okay, we use in. And you see on, specifically we use something means on, okay, but for smaller things, on Sunday, that is days, weekends. And you see for place, street name. Now coming to the last triangle, you see very specific you are saying means at we are using, that is as. And here place for address or specific location. To understand better, you see the first picture, into the box. That rat is going into the box. Use the second one, out of the box. And see the cat around the box. Then second one you see, away from the box. Then toward the box. You see the arrow mark, toward the box. Past the box. Next, onto the box. Then you see off the box, over the box. Then you see under the wall. You see it's going through the pipe and across the bridge. Then we use up the stairs, down the stairs. Now let's see some of the prepositions and their usage. Number 1, usage of at. For place, you see, my house is at NGO colony, because at refers to the smaller place. Time also we use at. The reception started at 6 p.m. Coming to the second one, usage of in. Place, the boys are in the class. So here it refers to the place. Time, Prime Minister will visit in October. See, in October. Now coming to the third one, on. For place we use, he is sitting on the wall. Then for timing, they will call you on Monday. See the difference. Fourth one, from. For place, this bus is coming from Madurai. Let's see fourth one, from. For place, this bus is coming from Madurai. So from the place they are saying. Time, the examination starts from 10 a.m. Then noun, I bought the pen from Midun. So from Midun, it is referring to a noun. Now fifth one, you see, to. Usage of to. For place, I am going to school. Time, the time is now 5 minutes to 1. That means still we have 5 minutes to reach 1 o'clock. Then noun, I wrote a letter to Anwar. Sixth one, you see the usage of by. In place, I am living by the garden. Noun, you see, this picture was drawn by Robert. Time, the manager will meet you by 5 p.m. Now coming to seventh one, for. Noun, I bought this pen for my brother. So it is followed by noun. Time, you see, I have been waiting here for 2 hours. It tells the duration. So for 2 hours. Coming to eighth one, since. Usage of since. We have been living in this house since 2008. So it refers to the starting time, that is starting year. Since, okay, 2008 they have been living there. Now coming to ninth one, usage of during. We went to Mysore during the Dasara holidays. So during that time. Now coming to 10th one, till. This shop will be kept open till 9:30. So till also refers to that time. Now 11th one, until. Let us wait until the rain stops. So until the rain stops, let us wait. So it is also referring to time. Now coming to 12th one, of. This is the house of Mr. Mohan. So it belongs to Mohan, we are saying of. Now coming to 13th one, off. Please switch off the fan. So this is also a preposition. The usage of with. She lives with her parents. Now coming to 15th one, without. Don't enter the room without permission. 16th one, near. The calf is standing near the cow. 17th one, the usage of up. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Then 18th one, upon. The lion sprang upon the deer. So upon is preposition. Coming to 19th one, towards. He walked towards the post office. Okay, advancing towards. 20th one, against. He hit against a lamp post. So when he was traveling by car also it can happen. 21st, through. The thief entered the house through the window. Then you see 22nd, along. He walked along the road. 23rd, about. You see the usage. This book is about the life of Gandhiji. Coming to 24th one, before. The train had left before I reached the station. So two actions need to be here. Then only we can use before. 25th, after also two actions. I reached the station after the train had left. 26th, you see, over. The plane flew over the clouds. Then usage of above in 27th, you see, the ball is above the table. Sorry, the ball is above the table. Just see the shift. 28th, below. the patient's temperature went below 98 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's going down. Then 29th, down. She is getting down the stairs. Coming to the 30th one, you see the usage of under. The idol is under the roof. Idol means, the statue. 31st, you see in front of. The box is in front of the door. And 32, you see behind. The sun disappeared behind the clouds. That means at the back. Then 33rd one, you see across. He walked across the field. 34th one, between. Ravi is sitting between Mohan and Murali. In between we are saying, no? Then 35th one, among. All the sons quarrel among themselves for their father's property. So we see here, among means referring to many sons. Now coming to the 36th, after. Meet me after some time. Then 37th one, into. He dived into the water. Let's see the first exercise. Choose the appropriate preposition to complete the sentence. First one, the work will be over by this evening. Option B. Second one, the papers are to be prepared within. Option A, within a month. Third one, my uncle will visit me in May. Okay, option C. Coming to fourth one, Ravi stayed with his uncle for 6 months. Option B. Fifth one, there is not enough space between the desk and the bench. So option A. Coming to sixth one, arrange the things properly before the classes commence. So it is option C. Seventh one, they selected me for the job only on merit. Option A. Eighth one, the poor man walked along the street. Ninth one, wait here until I come. Option B. Appropriate prepositions to complete the sentences. See the next exercise. Number 1. The color of the blackboard. Option A is black. Okay, second one. The ladder is placed against the wall. Option C. Third one. The fire station is near the police station. So option B. Fourth one, you see students, the players have great confidence in their coach. Option C. Fifth one, the library is on the first floor. Okay. Option B. Sixth one, there is a overbridge across the main road. Seventh one, we have election class on Sunday between, that is option C, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Then, seventh one, we have election class on Sunday from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Option A. Eighth one, we swam across the river. Option B. Ninth one, around, option C, around midnight we heard a strange sound outside. 10th one, I met my friend on Monday. Option A. 11th one, Kannan has been living in London since, option B, since 1999. 12th one, hang the charts on the wall. Option B. Then 13th one, we are going for a holiday next week. Option C. 14th one, we should not depend on, option A, we should not depend on our parents for everything. 15th one, the doctor passed on the message to the patient. Option A. So dear students, hope you have understood the usage of prepositions, and with this I wind up the class. Thank you.